So we're just going to show you a little how-to of changing your washing machine. So say your washing machine's just broke, you don't want to have to call in a plumber. It's quite a simple job, so we're going to teach you through the steps of changing your washing machine. So first thing, what I usually do is just open the door. Gives you something to grab hold of to pull the washing machine out. So obviously we've got our waste one there, just going down into our waste pipe. So I'm just going to pull that one out the way so I can get in. So that's that one. And you want to unplug it so you know you're safe. So that's all unplugged. And then this one's your water supply. So you see there you've got a little lever. So that's just going to turn the water off for you. So you know it's not going to leak out as you remove the pipe. So turn that up. We know that's now off. Then start unscrewing that. You will get a little bit of water come out here, it's just what's in the pipe. And that's that removed. Simple as that.